Esther. What are you reading?
Oh, hey there. I'm just reading this lovely book called Growing Vegetable Soup. Let's take a look. Dad says we are going to grow vegetable soup. We're ready to work. All our tools are ready too. We have a shovel, a rake, and a hoe. We are planting seeds. We have our seed package, our hole, our green bean seeds, pea seeds, corn seeds, zucchini, and carrot seeds. And all the sprouts. We have tomatoes, broccoli, peppers, and cabbage. And giving them water, look at all of the seeds. And waiting for warm sun to make them grow. Look at how tall the seeds got. And grow. And grow into plants. We have squash blossoms and peas. We watch over them and weed until the vegetables are ready for us to pick. We have peppers and tomatoes. Or dig up, like carrots or potatoes. And carry home, and then we wash them. And cut them and put them in a pot of water. And cook them into vegetable soup. At last, it's time to eat it all up. It was the best soup ever. And we can grow it again next year.
Thank you for reading that, Esther.
Thank you. We'll see you next time.